What's up guys? Stephanie here from Two Girls One Cut, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to upload SVG files into Cricut Design Space. Alright guys, as always in the description of the video you can find a link to our Two Girls One Cut reference document. Today we are under the Cricut Design Space tab underneath the Applications and Programs section of this document. If you click that, it's going to open up a tutorial with all of the tutorials that we have for Cricut Design Space. This is growing every day. Now we are looking at how to add SVG files. Alright, inside of Cricut Design Space what you're going to do is click the Upload button. Here you're going to click Upload Image. Now you can either drag and drop or you can browse. I'm going to go ahead and browse. I've got a whole folder of files to upload. Father's Day is coming up, so we're going to do this Best Dad Ever. Go ahead and select Open and you'll see the icon opens up. You've got your little image here. Now what you're going to do is just make sure it says what you want. Maybe type in a few things under the tags to help you find it later. I'm going to do Father's Day and Dad, just a couple of things to help me find it. We're going to hit save and now it is uploaded into Design Space. If you want to use it right away, simply click it and hit Insert Image. It'll pull that in there for you. One word of caution, you'll notice since this has letters, it has them all as separate letters. So you may just want to ungroup each of these, select them, and then either attach them or weld them so that it's all one cut here. That's going to keep everything organized inside of Design Space when you go to make this. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Please be sure to like and subscribe as that really helps out the channel and allows us to keep making these free tutorials for you. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to put those in the comments section below and we'll see you next time.